Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeChef. In today's video, we are going to explore an important concept that often gets confused with pointers, that is, references in C++. By the end of this session, you will understand how to declare a reference, how the dereference operator works in C++, and how it is related to references. Let's dive in and make references super easy to understand.
What is a reference in C++? A reference in C++ is an alias or another name for an already existing variable. In simple words, a reference does not create a new variable. It refers to the same memory location as the original variable. Any change made using the reference affects the original variable. Now, why do we need references? We need references to avoid copying large data, modify variables inside functions, improve performance, and make code more readable than pointers. Declaration of a reference. Important rules of reference. A reference must be initialized at the time of declaration. So, we have to point out to a variable for which we are creating the reference. Then, a reference cannot be null. A reference cannot be reassigned to another variable. As we have discussed, reference is basically an alias for a variable. So it points out to the same memory location as the variable that we assign to reference. Now we cannot reassign reference to another variable because another variable will have a different memory location, and that is why it is not possible. Now syntax. Int x is equal to 10 semicolon. Here x is a variable that has the value 10. Int end ref is equal to x semicolon. Now ref is a reference to x, so both ref and x point to the same memory location and there is no separate storage for ref. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform and see how to use the concept of references in C++. The program objective is declare a reference to an integer variable, and the expected output is before modification where is equal to 10, ref is equal to 10. After modifying through reference where is equal to 20, ref is equal to 20. After further modification through ref where is equal to 30, ref is equal to 30. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon, then int main, curly brace begin for the main function, int where is equal to 10 semicolon, then int end ref is equal to where semicolon. Here we have created a reference ref for variable where. That means ref is just another name for variable where, and both of them have same value and point out to the same memory location. Then cout in double inverted commas before modification then endl and semicolon. Now cout in double inverted commas where is equal to. Print the value of where, then in double inverted commas, ref is equal to, and print the value of ref, endl semicolon. We know where and ref will have same value, and since we have initialized where to 10, so right now it will print 10 as the value of where and ref. Then we are updating the value of ref to 20. So ref is equal to 20 semicolon. Cout in double inverted commas /n after modifying through reference endl semicolon. Cout in double inverted commas where is equal to, then value of where, which is now updated to 20 because the value of ref is updated to 20. Then in double inverted commas, ref is equal to, then we will print the updated value of ref, which is again 20, endl and semicolon. Now the value of ref is further modified to 30. So ref is equal to 30 semicolon, then cout in double inverted commas /n After further modification through reference semicolon, colon, then ENDL and semicolon. Cout in double inverted commas var is equal to, then we will print the updated value for var, which is now 30 in double inverted commas, comma ref is equal to the updated value for ref, ENDL and semicolon. Return 0, semicolon, and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Before modification, var is equal to 10, comma ref is equal to 10. After modification through reference colon, var is equal to 20, comma ref is equal to 20. After further modification through reference colon, var is equal to 30, comma ref is equal to 30. So this is how we declare and use references in C++. Next is dereference operator. The dereference operator, which is denoted by star, is used with pointers to access or modify the value stored at that memory location that the pointer is holding. In simple words, a pointer stores an address and the dereference operator helps you reach the actual value stored at that address. Now, why do we need the dereference operator? Pointers do not store values directly. They store memory addresses. So, without dereferencing, you only know where the data is stored and you cannot read or change the data itself. But with the help of dereference operator, we can fetch the value from memory and it also allows modification of that value. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform and see how to use the dereference operator in C++. Here the program objective is dereference operator and the expected output is before modification colon value of var colon 10 value through pointer colon 10. After modification colon value of var colon 20 value through pointer colon 20. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon. Then int main, now in curly braces, int var is equal to 10 semicolon. Int star ptr is equal to and var semicolon. So here we are declaring a pointer ptr and in that pointer we are storing the address of variable var. If you have any confusion with the concept of pointers, please go to the previous video in this playlist to learn more about pointers. Then cout in double inverted commas before modification colon, then ENDL semicolon. Cout in double inverted commas value of var colon, then the value of variable var will be printed, ENDL and semicolon. Then cout in double inverted commas value through pointer colon, then the value of star ptr will be printed, ENDL and semicolon. Now here star ptr, this is basically a dereference operator which is helping us in printing the value which is stored at the memory location whose address is stored by pointer ptr. Then star ptr is equal to 20 semicolon. So here we are modifying the value which is stored at the memory location stored by pointer ptr to 20. Then cout in double inverted commas /n after modification colon, then ENDL semicolon. Cout in double inverted commas value of var colon, then the new value which is stored in variable var will be printed, ENDL semicolon. So since we have modified the value of var using the dereferencing operator star ptr, so this time the value of var will be 20. Then cout in double inverted commas value through pointer colon star ptr. So again the updated value of variable var, or we can say the value which is stored at the memory location stored by pointer ptr will be printed, ENDL semicolon. Return 0 semicolon and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Before modification colon value of variable var colon 10, then value through pointer colon 10. After modification value of variable var colon 20 value through pointer colon 20. So this is how we use dereferencing operator in C++.
And that wraps up a quick and clear breakdown of references in C++. Today you learned how to declare a reference, how the dereference operator works and helps us in accessing the underlying value. Make sure to practice using these concepts on the CodeChef platform. Thank you so much for watching.